Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 208 GT line. This car comes with a really nice specification. You've got a petrol engine along with a DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, along with a wireless charging plate and satellite navigation. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. Howards are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that's with a virtual appointment, using our Howards Click and Collect service or Howards Home Delivery, along with the traditional booking an appointment to come in and view a car. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you and have a good day.